Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making a poblano corn rice. I have one poblano chili pepper and I'm toasting it over an open flame until it's charred on all sides. Like this. So here's my poblano and I'm going to cover it, putting it in a container and I'm going to let it sweat. It's like putting it in a sauna. It's going to soften up the skin and we're going to remove the skin later. So right here, I have a hot skillet and I added 1 tablespoon of canola oil. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice. I'm using jasmine rice. You could use any rice you want. And I'm going to saute my rice until it starts to change color. It should take about 5 to 8 minutes. Just don't walk away from it. It's easy to forget about it and start to burn it. Here's my poblano chili pepper. It's been in this little sauna bath for about 10 minutes, and that skin has softened up considerably. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a paper towel, and I'm going to remove the skin, the charred part of the skin. And don't worry about getting every single bit. Just get the majority. Take off the majority of that charred part. It gives it a little flavor, the charred. So if you leave a little bit on, it's okay. I'm just going to rub it off. Once the majority has come off, you've cleaned up your poblano. I've removed the seeds. Okay, you remove the seeds and the stem. So when you're making rice, 1 cup, 2 cups of liquid. I have 2 cups of chicken broth. So I'm going to add my poblano. This is my mini chopper. This is about 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro, 1 garlic clove. This is about 1/8 of an onion. And right here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to add that right here. Now I'm going to add some liquid. This is my broth. And it looks like it's going to work. Now I'm going to mix this together. So I mixed it in a mini chopper. Not a good idea. Should have done it in the bigger blender. So I'm going to add this to my rice. This is my liquid with my onions and my poblano. I'm going to add an 8-ounce can of corn. Okay, so now I'm going to let this all mix together. Very nice. Look at this. So I'm going to bring this up to a boil. So once you start to see it bubbling like that, I'm going to lower the temperature on the fire to a low simmer, and I'm going to cover it and leave it like this for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it sit for another 5 minutes. So here's my rice. Okay, so you want to fluff it up. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, you guys, here's my poblano rice with corn. Let me give it a taste. A little hot. It's good. It's very, very tasty. It will have a little kick. It has a itty bitty little kick. Poblano chili peppers. But it's very good. Great side dish. Little kick, just a little kick. Poblano. If you like poblano chili peppers, this is a good side dish. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.